G'day everybody, this is Kiwi GI Customs and Collections, and today I'm going to look at restoring Frostbite here. Now he's been all yellowed and all this, so today I've had him out in the sun getting all de-yellowed by hydrogen peroxide, and it's turned out pretty well. Yeah, extremely well. Okay, it's got some paint that I need to do, but that's alright. So it's not only just a matter of putting him back together, he's also quite loose and around the shoulders and I think the head as well. And to show you this, it's just easier for me to put this part back on. And of course it's popped out, but it's okay. Okay, so the head's not a problem, but as you can see, the arms are loose as. So I'll take this figure apart. And the method I'm going to be using, well, what I think may work, was pretty similar to the same technique I used for the knee, which is super glue and fixing out the cracks. No, actually, fixing out the cracks. So I'm thinking about doing the same. Just put a dot of super glue here. And this is baking soda. Sprinkle it on there. And basically I'll do the same on that side. And see how that works out. Now I may have to do this on both sides, but we'll just try it with the one. Well, one side's better. So I'm going to do the same as this side, which I kind of imagine I would have to. Wow. That's not too bad. Yeah, that'll do the trick. Okay, cool. All right. I think I'll do one more on the back, on this side. One more lot, because it seems to be the loosest. All right. Let's lid on the Marmite jar, which contains baking soda. As a toothpick. All right, I got your standard O-ring. Let's give it a bit of a stretch. Fit on the T-Hawk. Ever so careful. I do not want to break that crutch. There we go. Perfect. Head back on. And look at that. No more loose arms. Wow, that did the trick. That was brilliant. Okay, I might as well give Frostbite a recoat of paint. Just ever so gently. Can't remember where I got Frostbite from. Or this version of Frostbite. It might be an unboxing. It could have been for casting too. And he's a good, cool guy. I'm stuffing up here. I need to slow down. Yeah, it's not too bad a condition. Like, really cool. Just touching up the hair a bit. It looks to me like it's been touched up already. It kind of cracks me up how Frostbite in Tiger Force had an orange beard. It was with the Tiger Force figures, they quite often change the hair colors on the Joes. As in Duke was blonde, and then in Tiger Force it became brown hair. Outback did have orange hair, and then they changed into white hair. But I understand why they done that, because they made his shirt orange. So orange on orange, this doesn't seem right. Mind you, could have been working where I was. They can actually just make it go grey. Just a bit of a silent joke there to all the people that I work with. You know what I'm getting at when I say that. Okay. Normally when I paint the belts, I have them like fully pulled apart. But I'm just doing this ever so quietly and taking my time. And that's it. Frostbite all done, repainted. I want to give a big shout out to Frostbite G.I. Joe Repos. This guy is really good at what he does. I believe he's a big fan of Frostbite. So, mate, this one's for you. This is, as I said, like, really does a good job at keeping the arms nice and stiff. Yeah, I've never used that technique before. I just figured, hey, if it works well with the baking soda into the arms, and believe it or not, Frostbite also has a crack elbow, so I just used the baking soda and super glue, and I figured, hey, if that does the same thing, surely it would do the same as the shoulders or as the arms, and that has done a wonderful job. So with that, everybody, it's time for me to go. Please like, share, and subscribe, and share. Check out my Facebook and Instagram page. And yo, Joe.